Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our settings, where we have to find accessibility and convenience option. Now, as you can see right here is one-handed mode, and to enable one-handed mode all you have to do is just click on this button right here, and as you can see, to turn on one-handed mode you need to enable navigation gestures first. So we have to do this. So from buttons we have to set to the gestures, and now we can set one-handed mode. So now that's it. As you can see, to activate one-handed mode we have to just swipe like this on the middle. That's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.